Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the Gorjus and Pure Innocence, Gorjus and Pure Innocence collab. Let me get the name right, because I always say it wrong. It's Gorjus and Pure Girl collab. Gorjus and Pure Girl collab with Poetspice 2019. So we post the second Thursday of every month. So this is a 12-month collab. We started last month, and I have a playlist. And you can also check out all the other collaborators that are in this collab below. You will have their links, so you can click on and see what they created, and hopefully they will inspire you, and I'm sure they will, to use your Gorjus Girls or your Pure Innocence stamps and create a project with it. Feel free to do a VR and let us know. So that's great. So I'm gonna just jump right in. The theme, we have a theme each month. This month's theme, February, was the Year of the Pig, or Chinese New Year. A very challenging one, but I will show you what I used, and we can go from there. So, which dolls did I use? This is, I forgot the name of this one. Oh my gosh, throw everything. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning, but still. Her. I forgot her name. And I didn't write it down on my sample in here. I just stamped it out. So anyway, I swear I cut my finger. The paper cuts are the worst. Oh my God, and I keep hitting it. Hurts. Then I also use these two minis. This one is number 59, Flying Above It All. So she's on a bird. Sorry about that glare, but you'll see it in a second. And then this one is number 38, The Runaway. So, oops. Alright, so that's the stamps. Then I used a few dies. So this first one's the Crafter's Companion die set, 4-piece die set, and this is lanterns. And I used, one of these lanterns off of that, and you'll be able to see it in just a second. And that's my blue, because it's color coordinated by what the dies are. This is a Tim Holtz Physics die, Celebrate 13 word piece, and I use the word celebrate out of here. And then this is a Memento number set, and I used the numbers. You can guess which numbers I used. And then what I'm trying to do all year long is try to use more of my products, so I decided to pull out some embossing folders. I used this Doris A2 Fireworks embossing folder, and then I use these two right here, Crafter's Companion. This one is Stone, and this one is Lanterns, which is actually the designer Sheena, but it's still a Crafter's Companion. These are A7, and this A7 right here is by Love Nicole, and it's Front Door. So you will see those. And then I use these planner stickers that I had for a long time by Heidi Swap, these gold glittered planner stickers. So I will show you what I did. I just made some simple cards, and again, I ain't got no pig stuff to make no pig, but we could do New Year's. So I did New Year's. I don't have a lot of the stamps, I think, and so I had a limitation on that, and so I just had to be a little creative and think out the box. But I just made some simple cards. So the first one is the girl, which is Runaway, and this is her. I colored her in with my Spectrum Noirs, and this is just on black, 110-pound weight. And as you can see, this is the, what was the name of that one? Stone. In the background, like a cobblestone. And the horse is running across it. It says riding into 2019. And I just left them blank on the inside. But that is my first one. And so you can see that texture back there. Then my second one, I use The Front Door by Love Nicole. And as you see, my letters are a little bit crooked because on the inside and on this one, I put New Year. They stuck like that. I mean, as soon as I tried to get it down, I couldn't move it. I could not reposition it. It was like amazing how much it stuck. If I wanted it to stick that well, it wouldn't. But anyway, this is the Front Door. So this is the larger one that I showed you. And so it's like she's welcoming you with the red door. You know, we think of China because they're flagged with the red. So I did the red door like you're welcoming the new year. Entering it in. So that's my spin on that. Then this A2 one with the Doris Fireworks one. I have her right here, and I just forgot the name of that one that quick. That one is Flying Above It All. So I like I said, I color all of them in with my spectrum. And what I did on this background, if you can see that color, I used my Perfect Pearls, and so you can see the different colors in there. It's like a gold, blue, and a green. You really can't see it. It's not showing up too well on this camera, but anyway, hopefully you can see some of that sheen. But I used my Perfect Pearls back there just to look like the fireworks going off, like the colors of different fireworks. And then I put 2019, and it is blank on the inside, but that's her flying away like into the new year. And then my last one, that is the lantern that I talked about, and that's her again, the same girl flying into the new year. And Tim Holtz word celebrate, and this actual that I forgot to pull it out is AliExpress, the little rectangles with the wonky edges, and that is the lanterns embossing folder. And what I did here was after I ran it through, I inked it with Versamark, and then I just poured gold glitter on it. And this is the white spot for you to write your note. So, and it just stands up like that. You've seen those cards like that. So those are my 4 cards for the new year. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And again, check out everybody else, and play along if you like. We'd love to have you. And again, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Have a blessed day, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.